Here we are at Chris and Yoselin's house. Fantastic Feast is on the road. What are we going to have tonight? We're going to have some Moroccan Faux Tacos. Then we're going to have Honey Teriyaki Salmon, some vegetables, some salad, and we're going to finish off with some Flambe apples. Chris, thanks for having me, man. It's going to be great.
Thanks for being here.
And I love the cast iron pot, man. On the road, fabulous feast at the Sharon's. Going in for the vegetables tonight are going to be simple pan sauteed asparagus, garlic, salt, extra virgin olive oil. That's it. Very simple. Sweat them down, and that'll pair nicely with our asparagus. I'm sorry, with our salmon. So stay tuned. We're moving into the entrees.
So, Dr. DeFabio, so on this teriyaki glazed salmon, you used liquid aminos instead of low sodium soy sauce or regular soy sauce. Can you tell me what the difference is and why you use that?
Well, first of all, the aminos, or the substitute, we'll call it, okay, for the soy or tamari is just has fermented soybeans in it, okay? Doesn't have anything else. No binders, no fillers, no preservatives, things like that. Flavor enhancers, whatever. It's still very low in sodium compared to the other ones. I think a serving is about 390 milligrams of sodium, whereas regular soy sauce is, oh gosh, 900, 960. Yeah, good point. So that's a huge difference. It's also wheat-free. My soy sauce has wheat-free in it, and even low salt soy sauce I think is about 5-something milligrams per serving. So you get rid of the wheat, get rid of a lot of the junk, and you also get rid of a lot of the salt.
And keep the flavor.
That's right, and keep the flavor. It has a very similar flavor profile.
Yep.
Honey glazed teriyaki salmon, and yeah, we're just going to transfer it to the serving plate, and then it's time to serve up with our asparagus and salad. We have radishes in the salad to add color. Does this guy eat radishes?
She does not. She doesn't even like most people.
She doesn't even. Okay, well I'll stand clear then.
No, she's not. She's nice.
She's nice. There we go. But you know, it's important to get as many colors in your salad as possible. So we have radishes, gives us a little bit of red and white, fennel, white, and then romaine lettuce, green. So we do get our 3 colors in this salad, and those radishes are good for you, aren't they, Chris?
These are really good.
And they smell so good. The salad, oh my God.
So that's the ensalada at the Chiron. We're rolling along at the Chiron's fabulous feast on the road. Hey, we're going to do some flambéed apples and serve it with either homemade yogurt or the decadent vanilla ice cream. For simple syrup, instead we're just using apple juice that's been boiled down and a little bit of cinnamon. Going to saute off these organic gala apples. Then we'll add a little bit of apple liqueur for the flambe. And there you have it. All right, apples flambe. So what do you feel like? What do you feel like? Well, you're going to get apples that are flambe, but you can get it on vanilla ice cream, or you can get it on homemade yogurt. So it really depends on what you feel when it comes to dessert, but both of them also get a little garnish of chopped walnuts. So Chris, this is the final dish for tonight. I want to thank you and Yoselin for having me over.
Thank you for coming tonight.
It's been a blast.
It has. It really has. It's been really good. Thank you so much for all the wonderful food, for the great knowledge you've imparted on us on the different dishes that you've made. It's really been awesome.
And it's all about, not just about choosing your food, but what your food eats, right?
Yeah.
We talked about we are what our food eats and where it's sourced.
Yeah.
So that's a good part of it too. But thank you. It's been a great, fabulous feast on the road. We're going to go have dessert and maybe an after dinner drink.